Once you've added citations to your document, you may want to make some adjustments to them. Some common changes would include adding page numbers for quotes, or omitting the author name or year if they were just mentioned right before it in the paragraph. In this video, we'll cover editing formatted citations. If you aren't sure if your citations are formatted or not, watch the video called Formatted versus Unformatted Citations. These formatted citation options are really only applicable if you're using an author date citation style, as numbered styles would only display a number in the text. To make changes to the citations, in Word, go to the EndNote 16 tab, and in the Citations group, click on Edit and Manage Citations. In the window, note that all of your in-text citations are listed. You'll use this window to change the display of the citation in the document only. This will not change the reference in EndNote. So your first step is to select the reference you want to change. Then in the bottom half of the window, notice the Formatting drop-down menu. Open this to see the options for what you can do in this menu. Most of these will concern excluding information. So I can exclude an author in this one, and perhaps in this one I will exclude a year. Below those you'll see, if I just select a different one, that I can add information as well. So a prefix will add text at the beginning of your in-text citation. If you do put some information at the beginning, be sure that you also put a space after it so that that will separate it from the citation itself. The suffix will put it at the very end. So you would put a space before it. Pages is used to display page numbers, and depending on your style, you may find that your style is okay and it will support showing page numbers, and in fact most styles will have a different way of formatting page numbers if it's a single page versus if it's multiple pages. If you have single or multiple pages, you just put in the page numbers with the hyphen, but you do not put in any formatting. Once I click OK, I'll see all of those have been edited. So this one has had the author removed, this one's had the year removed, this one has had a prefix put in, this one has a suffix, and this one's got one page number, and this last one has multiple page numbers. If I find that my style doesn't support page numbers, for example, Harvard does not support page numbers at all, I'll find that it will remove those page numbers from those references. If that's the case, you would just need to put the pages into your suffix so that it would appear at the very end. In that case, you would have to put in the formatting like the P and the full stop, etc. If you want to remove a citation, sometimes it can be very hard to delete them. You're meant to just be able to select it and take it with the brackets and just delete it from your document. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That one seemed to work, so that would be great if it did. If you do have any problems deleting them, the best idea is just to go back into Edit and Manage Citations, select it, and in the Edit Reference option, just choose to remove it. So that will remove that reference from my document, and I'll take away the space there. And when I look down below, it's removed it from my bibliography as well.